Hello crafty friends, have you ever wished that you had a tool that you could use for correcting stamped images with precision? I'm not talking about a stamp press or a stamping platform here where you can repeat stamp over the same image. I'm talking about a little tool that you can use just to add a bit of ink here and there. Well, if that's something that you ever thought would be useful, I've got a little hack for you. So here I have a very cheap Crayola super tip pen, and it's in a fairly light colour. So I've used a pair of nippers or pliers to pull the end out. I don't need that anymore. And now I can use some tweezers to grab the inside. I don't need that anymore either. So all I've got is the body and the felt tip. This has obviously got colour in it, but you can very quickly wash that out under a running tap. Just run the water so it goes in there, and in a couple of minutes it will have cleaned that out and it will appear white. So there you go, I've washed that out. There's a little bit of pink in it, but it's not coming out, it's just stained. You could get a wet baby wipe and wipe it off on there. If you want to dry the inside of the barrel, then just twizzle some kitchen towel and pop that in there. Twist it round and that should dry the inside. It's picked up the last bit of colour as well from the bottom. I can dry that off on there. And now I can take a stamp. This is Evergreen Bow Distress Oxide on a Celebrate photopolymer stamp. I can stamp that down there. And that's not too bad. If I was using a stamp platform, I could repeat stamp it until I got a less splotchy appearance. But now what I can do is I can take this pen, just roll it gently in the ink pad or on the ink pad, and then I can use that ink just to fill in or adjust the edges of my stamped image. Now these inks may stain the tip, but the pigment and dye itself should wash out pretty well. So I've dealt with most of the splotchiness on this, and I can get some pretty fine lines. Here I've actually got a little nick in my stamp, so it never stamps this little bit here. So I can correct that with the very tip and go over that little break in the stamping. So even if I was to use a stamp platform, I'd never get that fixed because there's damage to my stamp. So obviously you can correct any stamped image or a stenciled image with this little DIY correction pen. And to clean it, all I do is I can scribble it off on a piece of paper until all the ink has come out. I could go and run it under the tap again, twist it in a wet baby wipe, and it might stain it like I've said, but eventually all that green or whatever colour you use will come out and you can use it on another colour. If you want, you can keep the lid on to protect the nib so it doesn't get damaged. You could also have multiple of these for different colour families. You could have a cool colour one and a warm colour one, or one for reds, one for oranges, etc, etc. If you don't like the idea of wasting the ink that is in the pen, you can always slice open this. You're going to get mucky fingers, so if you don't like that, put some gloves on. And then you can colour some cardstock with it, which you can then use in your crafting. But these Crayola super tips are basically designed for kids, so the ink tends to be very washable and doesn't hang around long. Right, I hope you found that a handy hack. If you have, please do let me know in the comments and leave a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more hacks from me, then check out my Hacks, Tricks, Tips and Ultimate Guides playlist. You could also subscribe and ring the notification bell. Right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here very soon for another video. Bye for now.